How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. I appreciate your support. If you're coming back, thanks again for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. We're all about the hobby farm lifestyle and tractor work. So if you like that content, I'd really like for you to hit that subscribe button below. That helps us out a lot. Today we're going to continue the series about the land clearing project that we have. We're going to be doing a lot of chainsaw work. We're going to be doing a lot of grapple work. And we're just going to get this place cleaned up, get ready for deer season. So y'all tag along. We're going to tackle this project first. I think I'm just going to get the grapple, clean up some of this underbrush first, and then I'll start cutting the trees that I need to get out of the way. I think that's the approach I'm going to take. I've got the grapple and the EA landscape rake behind the Mahindra 4540. I'll use that first. I'll just kind of try to rake it up, I guess you'd say. Get the trees out of the way with the chainsaw and stuff, and I'll get that part as well. I'm going to use that landscape rake. As you can see, I'll get it all put in a pile, then use my grapple to push it off to the side. Look behind me here. You can see these two trees where I'm dumping the debris. I'm going to try to create my own funnel so that the deer don't walk in between these two trees. They either walk to the right of it or to the left of it, because on my left, your right will be a good lane for my shooting house that I'm going to put up, and then on my right, your left will be good for the bow stand that I'm going to have up. So I'm going to try to keep them, I'm going to try to create a funnel to keep them walking the direction that I wanted to walk. But man, that EA landscape rake is legit, ain't it? I'm telling you, holy cow, that thing will pick up anything. So let's get a couple more things raked up. Then I got to start on the grapple, get these big, you can see like this log here. Like I'll have to use the grapple for that, because that's even the EA landscape rake might not be able to get something that big. All right, but that Mahindra 4540, don't even know it's behind there. Let's keep going. Now that we've got the landscape rake and the grapple used to kind of clean up the little sticks and stuff that is on the ground, now we can concentrate on picking up the trees that have fallen and cleaning up this part of the debris. So which leads me to my question of the day. My question of the day is, what would you use hardwoods that have fallen if you were cleaning up debris like this? Leave a comment below and let me know what you would do if you were to cut this stuff up. And you know, a lot of you guys up north, you use hardwoods and fallen trees for a heat source in the winter time. We don't really have that need here in Florida. I mean, I did get cold one time when it got down to 27, you know what I mean? But we just usually use firewood for a campfire, to roast marshmallows, like, you know, out by the pole barn when we have guests over. But as you can see, this tree is huge in Florida standards. It's got a big 6.5 foot tall, 7 foot tall root ball, and it goes up. I mean, that's probably, no kidding, that's probably 60 feet long. Now listen, this Mahindra 4540, I mean, it's a beast of a tractor, but even Mike Tyson lost the fight, you know what I'm saying? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it up into something that I can handle, and then we'll get it taken away and get this part cleaned up. All right, let's go. Man, you can really see how handy those grapples are when you start moving big chunks of wood around. I mean, those things are, I mean, it'll surprise you how heavy those things are when you get them loaded up into a grapple. And that takes me to my rookie tip of the day. My rookie tip of the day is use your grapple to help you not get your chainsaw in a bind when you're cutting timber. Or you can put the wood in the grapple and then cut it while it's inside the grapple, and that will help keep the weight off of it, and you won't get your bar of your chainsaw in a bind, and that will really, really save you some time, because all of us have been stuck trying to cut wood with their chainsaw. Yeah, man, get that bar out of there, you know. There's an old saying, there's those who have and there's those who will. And so if you haven't got your chainsaw stuck in a piece of wood yet, just wait, you'll get there. I mean, I promise, it happens to all of us. Let's get this thing cut up and take away. Man, that's a lot of work. We got a lot done today. You know, using that chainsaw and that grapple, it really helps the process along. And you can see, like in the other two videos, you know, we're eventually, slowly but surely getting this place cleaned up. So if you haven't seen the first two videos, go back and take a look at those. You'll like the progress that we're making so far. And we'd appreciate all the support by watching the Hamiltonville Farm tractor playlist that you'll see in the corner over here. You'll also see a little white barn pop up. It's a circle. That will take you to our subscribe page. We'd appreciate the support of you subscribing to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and as always, we'll catch you on the next one.